walking down the middle of the road, and cars
for our
have
next
to stop for the people that are walking down the street.
Do they though? Do they have to stop? I'm going to show you two videos. Vehicle stops, and dude gets jumped. Second video. It's a beautiful day in Africa. My man sees something. My man sees something. Rolling down the road. Oh, what's that in the road? Shoot his vehicle up. And he keeps on rolling. Listen, ladies and gentlemen. They're still shooting at him and he's moving. What do we learn from this situation? Boom, Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review, learn protection strategies from a protection professional. The message here is extremely simple. Your vehicle, and this is another thing they talk about in AS3 Driving Training, your vehicle is your best weapon, is your best means for escape. It is protection. Like this young lady's talking about.
Walking down the middle of the road, and cars have to stop.
We're walking down the middle of the road and cars have to stop. That's a belief. That is not a fact.
People that are walking down the street.
They should, maybe, but it depends on the context. You hear us talk about context all the time. Depends on the context. If you drive into a riot or an unsafe situation, a dangerous environment, my suggestion is keep your car moving. If your car cannot move, it becomes a coffin and you need to get out of that vehicle. So this individual here is driving, and what do? They stop the car, they get out, and you see exactly what happens in real time. The second you get out, you stop that vehicle, it becomes a coffin, it's vulnerable, it doesn't stop bullets, and you open the door, you let your ego get in the way or whatever, I don't know the circumstances. Do not open that door unless you have another safe location already picked out and you believe genuinely, very genuinely, that you can fight your way to that location. If you can't, the mob. Yeah, and now she needs to get out of there, right? And as we see over here with my man, it's a beautiful day in Africa guy, right? It's a beautiful day in Africa guy. Boom, he's rolling down the street. He sees that there's an ambush up ahead, and what does he do? He makes the right decision. He keeps on driving. Head down, get behind that engine block as best you can. Make yourself small and get through. Weather the ambush. Come train with us at the Protector Symposium at protectorsymposium.com. I look forward to shaking your guys' hand, training with you, and or teaching you guys at the comfort of your own home. Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. I'll see you on the next piece of content. Out.